What is up guys, Alexandrus here, back to you with another video. Today we are on TradePower, insane dApp and definitely original project. So yeah, I have quite a lot today to show you guys. We will also go through the process of buying the tokens. So obviously we are reviewing a token today. Yeah, I have a lot to tell you. I'm very excited about this video. I hope that you will guys enjoy it, and I hope that you will like the token which we are reviewing today, because I'm really enjoying it myself, the token, and I'm gonna be buying more and more until I can, because yeah, they are basically after the pre-sale, but the token, we could say, is now on sale. I will explain you why in a second. So yeah, that's 100% original project, as I said. Very interesting one, very special one. So yeah, let's go through the website first, then I will show you all the things I want to talk about today. There is a lot of them. So as I said, we will also go through the process of buying the tokens via MetaMask wallet. Only issue is that I have less than even 1/10 of Ethereum on the wallet. But yeah, I will buy more probably tomorrow, so I want to get this to about 15-20k, to be honest. If I will have 15 to 20k tokens, I will be satisfied and I will be set. And that's my goal, and we will see if I can achieve that possibly. Then I'm gonna be holding them until the price suit me, and probably sell some and then hold the rest. Definitely it's worth buying right now. Obviously don't take it as any financial advice, I'm just saying you my opinion, and in my opinion it has a lot of price growth potential. Anyways, let's get into the video. TradePower TDX, new DEX, no boundaries, 25% dApp staking reward. Okay, let's get right into it. So here we have fractionless token swap experience. You can compare and swap ERC20 tokens instantly. You can pull any ERC20 token with another ERC20 token. You have automated liquidity pools deployment, fees injected back into pool and portion shared with TDX holders. That's insane. Removing central points of failure, hosted dashboard with investor tools and profit reports, access all DEX liquidity in one place, Web3 compatible, avoid price slippage, swap ERC20 tokens swiftly across all liquidity pools, cross-chain swapping planned for V2. So that's really promising features. There is also this cross-chain swapping planned for V2. That's really nice. Okay, also, yeah, I will talk about it later. Let's first go through the website, as I said. Let's not make it too complicated, because yeah, in this video there is a lot to tell you, and I wonder how long it will come out, but yeah, I hope it's under 20 minutes. Total supply 8.7 million TDX, and I have interesting information about it as well. Circulating supply 2.7 million TDX, TDX stake 3 million TDX, dApp contract locked and released via staking rewards. I have it somewhere right there. If you click here, you are getting redirected to it. I have it open already. So yeah, here is the contract. Okay, let's get back into it. Uniswap liquidity 30% added at launch August 21st, locked. Then you have treasury, 2 million TDX liquidity for CEXs, and additional Uniswap liquidity via private sale. Okay, so here you can see the total supply. That's 20 million TDX, as you can see. That's the contract address as well. Holders, 100 addresses. Yeah, basically you can see it all right here. It's all transparent on Ethereum blockchain, obviously, as any other ERC20 token would be. Some FAQs as well. And also, according to the tokenomics, let me just get it really quick. I'm not sure where I wrote this down. Okay, so the actual team behind the project burned 10,800,000 tokens by themselves. And also, more than that, 500,000 of their own team tokens, and they burned that. Just like that. That's 11.3 million tokens in total. That's insane, guys. That's insane. Okay. That's it from the website. They also have social medias, obviously. Kinda hard to see them, but they are here on the left side, as you can see. I'm just scrolling it here. But by the way, I like the design of the website itself. Really cool. Anyways, they have Telegram, they have Twitter, and they have Discord, which I would recommend the most. I think it's the easiest way to keep in touch with the community. So yeah, on Telegram they have about 2,000 members. I think they have way more on Discord. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, definitely I honestly myself prefer Discord, but yeah, it's whatever, up to you. What do you guys prefer? They obviously do have Twitter. So as you can see, the pre-sale has ended on August 22. So yeah, we are 6 days after that. They had a contest. Yeah, basically they're running a lot of contests, a lot of events. They also had an AMA, which I think is worth mentioning. Uniswap Armies X TradePower AMA session. They are really working hard. They are working really hard on this project. I can assure you that if you go to the Discord and if you go to the announcements section, you will be amazed of how much things are happening in the whole community. So that's insane. We are not gonna go through that article, but yet they did an AMA in it. So I would suggest you to check it out because there is some interesting things here. I've been going through it, but obviously it would take ages to read it all on the video, so it's better if you will guys just go to this article, which I will link you down below in the description. So I'm not gonna close that so I can have a quick access to this thing. Yep, that's what I wanted to just quickly say about this article right there. I wonder what else I want to tell you specifically. Give me a second, guys. So yeah, there will be also this hosted dashboard with investor tools and profit reports. So another cool feature, I would say. Yeah, let's now maybe focus on the price and on the buying of the tokens. So yeah, the price is currently very similar to the pre-sale price, and you can track it on Uniswap. So let me just show you that. Where I have Uniswap, I have it right here. Okay. So always, if you go to the Uniswap, I will link it down below in the description, guys, so you can quickly access it and easily access it. There will be this little alert popping up, and that's actually really important alert. So keep in mind that on Uniswap, there is a lot of, I don't know how to call them, impersonating tokens. I don't know if it's a good term for that, but yeah, you need to always be careful because on Uniswap, there is a chance that there will be token with the same ticker, and yeah, just always be sure to use the link from the description and to compare the contract address to just be sure you are safe. Okay, let's click on I understand, and then if you want to trade it, you just click on trade right here. Maybe I will give you direct link to actual application. Okay, let's click on I understand. As you can see, you can compare the contract here and here. Everything matches. As I said, I only have 37 bucks in ETH, so yeah, I'm kinda poor right now, not gonna lie. We'll do 0.08 so I can have something for the gas. Yeah, let's connect my MetaMask first, really quick. Okay, next, connect. So after you connect your MetaMask, what I would suggest you to do is add the token. By the way, I still hold my FOT, so shout out to the FOT boys. I'm not gonna sell them, but yeah, let's focus on TDX. The way you do it is you just copy the contract address, just like that. Then you go back to the MetaMask, you click on add token, custom token, boom, just like that. Super simple. Then you click on next and you are good to go pretty much. Maybe I can delete it and add it again, can I? I don't know, I can hide it for sure. Okay, anyways. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna buy them. So 0.08 ETH will give me 770 tokens. That's the price per 1 TDX, about 4 cents, close to 4 cents. So yeah, pretty much same as on pre-sale. Let's click on swap, confirm swap. And now I'm gonna need to pay the gas fee, which is quite a lot, but yeah, who cares? Let's click on confirm. Transaction submitted, just like that. And now I need to wait a little bit to get my TDX. So as you can see, the buy process is very, very simple. Also, if you go to the actual website, you have light pager and roadmap in PDF files. They are very ambitious. I love that. As you can see, they have 3 different sections of the roadmap: cross functions, marketing exchange, and development team. That looks really nice. That looks really promising. So yeah, you can have a look at that. You can find it on the website just by clicking this little red button called roadmap. You are getting redirected to the PDF, just like that. And then they have this light pager, that's how it's called. Yeah, also some basic informations, background informations as well. Something about the tokens, basic tokenomics. Oh, as you can see, my transaction just confirmed. Something about the exchange as well. Why use TDX over any other exchanges? So hosted dashboard with investor tools and profit reports on one single screen, for example, that's really helpful when you are trading a lot. Access all the EX liquidity in one place, another amazing thing. Avoid price slippage to maximize your buying token value. Compare and swap instantly with a frictionless token swap experience. Fees generated are injected back, as it was said earlier on the website, and then you are getting some shares of it. Cross-chain swapping in the works, proposed for V2. Okay, so that's it from the light pager. Okay, that's the contract. We are not gonna need it, I think. They are also on Lifecoin Watch, so you can track the price right here, as you can see. So that's how the price is moving. Anyways, I think it will go up very shortly. It could really even go up to, I would say, maybe 50 cents over some months. But I'm looking really forward to it going up. Okay, as I said, about 4 cents right now. I wish I didn't close the Uniswap, but yeah, whatever. For 10,000, no, for 1,000 tokens, I'm not sure. One ETH is about 9 point something K tokens. That's what I wanted to say. Anyways, if you go to my MetaMask, as you can see, I have my TDX right here, 769 tokens, so that works super easily. I believe you can also use it with Saturn wallet and some other wallets, but I would just suggest you using MetaMask. It's the easiest one to use, in my personal opinion. But yeah, it's all up to you, boys and girls, right here. So yeah, let me know what do you guys think about TradePower or about TDX, whatever you like to call it. Yeah, in my opinion, huge potential here. Great team, really nice community on Discord, a lot of positive people. I'm enjoying this project a lot, and I hope I will be still enjoying it since I'm making this video. So yeah, let's smash the like button, guys, down below, so this video can reach to more audience. I wish more people could know about TDX, about TradePower. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next ones, coming out soon.